What the fuck was that? Hello? Oh my god.
It's light blue.
Wicked. Shoot Light Blue's ass. Shoot Light Blue's ass.
10-4. 10-4.
Yep. He hit me with the lock, dude.
Oh,
Hit me with
what?
Fuck
Drop
up! Fuck him, dude. Stop, White. Get away from me.
Stop.
Get
Drop
away
the-
from me.
Drop the
What
fucking
is
weapon.
happening, bro?
Drop the fucking knife. Drop it.
Oh,
Drop the
he's a
knife.
fucking
Drop the knife.
screwdriver.
Drop the
Drop
knife.
the
Drop the
knife.
knife.
What the fuck is wrong with
Okay.
you?
What
the fuck is going
yellow.
on?
It's Yo, orange.
Yeah?
Yo, it's light blue and yellow.
I know it's light blue and yellow.
Bro, we have to go kill them.
Scanner done.
I might go that.
It's this guy. It's you.
Fucking this guy.
It's yellow.
Fucking
and
this
red.
guy,
Green
yeah?
scan.
Guess what I got?
The final vent
Oh,
scan.
Kill his ass.
Orange.
I'm gonna fucking stab you. That's
Final
what I'm gonna
bed
do.
scan.
Get over
Get
here.
away.
Get over here.
Stab your ass.
Get away from me. He's got a gun.
What?
We're gonna
I'm
fucking.
doing it now.
We're gonna
I'm
fucking
doing it
kill
now.
you, bro. We're gonna fucking kill
I'm
you.
doing fucking analysis.
We're gonna kill you. We're gonna kill you. We're gonna fucking kill you.
I'm doing fucking
Go over.
analysis.
Kill his ass. We're gonna. What's up, man? What's up? What's up, man?
Wait, you saw?
Nah, we came up here. They were playing loud music. And they fucking. I don't know what the fuck happened. I gotta do it. I kill the rest of your fucking. No one's gonna hear you scream. What? Dude. Come on, I killed all your friends! I killed all your friends! I killed all your friends, come here! I have a bomb! I have a bomb! I have a bomb! Let go! I have a bomb! I have a bomb! Get him! Oh shit. Oh my god, what the fuck? What is that? Why did why did Red start shooting? Red started shooting at me.
I don't know.
He just started shooting. He went that way. He went that way. Oh! Oh my god! He's got a bomb!
The bomb. Someone has the bomb.
Someone has a bomb.
You lead him. I got this.
What do you mean you lead him? Wait.
Lead White to the top.
I got it.
I don't
Oh,
even
lead
know
him?
how that works. How does even
Just tell her.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
What happened? Hey, chill. What?
I thought Dark Blue jihaded, man. I didn't have anything to kill him. He was out of ammo. He let me go.
He had a he jihad? What the? Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Raise your hands. Alright. Fucking yellow. You? Grab this and kill him. Go kill Yellow. Go kill Yellow. I'm gonna be watching.
Yo, Green's over there. Green's over there killing people, bro.
Kill him.
I don't know who to believe.
Kill him.
The, like,
What?
cyan, he just...
Why you hit me? Why you hit me?
I'm gonna stab your ass. You fucking trying to kill me? Oh shit. Oh my god, everyone died already? What the fuck? We can't progress. God damn it. You gonna hang with me?
Yeah, I'll protect everybody here.
Are you sure? Alright, well.
Hey, I have it. I'm not gonna use it. Relax.
I say keep your distance. Don't shoot him. Do not shoot him. Just keep your distance.
Alright, we're holding.
I swear to God.
We're just holding.
Kill me right now, I will be depressed.
C4?
Why would you look? Why are you looking for C4?
Because I can blow it up at the same location.
Oh my.
Okay. Oh, we have the technique.
I'm gonna take this.
Alright, well. He's supposed to be my bodyguard, but alright. What is happening? Why y'all? What the? Back away! Back away! I thought you were my bodyguard! Oh, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
John, why did you kill yourself? The homosexual.
No, you. Whoa, wait, what are you doing about?
Kill yourself.
I'm not listening to you.
Wait, Green has an emote.
No,
How do you do that?
all you do is just press E.
Me? Oh my god, here, let me grab your daddy. Let me grab your daddy.
Guys, I'm gonna.
Oh yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go.